we are now at Nissan Yokohama and we are going to see all the cars right over here. Hope it's good. Recording. Okay, Nissan is closed for today, so the whole place is dark, so yeah, we can't see anything today. So maybe it's closed for Christmas. Yep. Or they're going to do some renovation. I don't know, but it's definitely closed. We will walk around and see what else we can find. Stumbled upon this construction behind me. It's actually the new Anpan Man Museum. I'm not sure about the old one. Maybe they're going to shift their operation, but yes, as you can see, it's really huge. Yep. Yep. Old one is 10 minutes away, and definitely this place is bigger. It's indoors and yeah, it's near the train station and very much I don't know if they're going to use this space, but yes. Well, keep a lookout. We're at Takashima Cho Park South and it's really quiet, but well, this is what it is on end of the year. Okay, so we are at this Yokohama and aimlessly walking, and guess what? Shake Shack. Okay, so we are going in and go and see what do they have. It's been a long time. This will be my third time experience eating Shake Shack. First was Vegas, second Tokyo, and this time round is at Yokohama. So let's check it out. Yep, saw in Japanese, katakana. I'm only proficient in hiragana, so yes, holiday shakes, more regular. Okay, so oh, there's an exclusive. Yeah. Okay. Nice. This way.
Very Japanese, they have like Japanese style, like black sesame shake.
Oh yeah?
Japan exclusive. Just so you know.
Yeah, that's right. Bag of bones.
For dogs.
Yeah.
So, what are we getting?
Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is what we have. We have this double smoke shack stack, small fries, root beer, and this black sesame shake. Yes. Root beer float. It's kind of disappointing though. I was expecting more quantity, but yeah, maybe there's too much bubbles. Double smoke shack. You see, like the oil are all oozing out. These oil are worth your calories. Okay, first bite. It's mushroom. Very good. So yeah, there we go. I'm gonna finish the rest of it, so you guys don't have to watch it. So we love Yokohama. These are all the mystery bags. Some of them are for preview, some of them are not. So for example, this one of the bigger ones. It's about 30 units for 10,000, 15 for 32. It's really quite a lot, so at least you know what you want and you can aim, you know, when the 1st of January, you see what you want. There you go. Okay, we are now on the way to our red brick warehouse. Hello. Yep. This is the place. That's where we are going right now.
行きましょう。That's a Vanchia Pier.
Oh, it's right at the top where people are. It's right at the far end. Alright, let's go in.
Let's walk across.
Wow.
What's this look like? Oh, it's a Japanese baguette. Oh, it looks like sponge.
It looks a little bit like sweet potato. Wow. Small price. Yeah, man. So from there, then with a huge quantity. Oh wow. Yes.
Pumpkin flavor.
So I'm constructing across the Yokohama Bay. Probably is for some year-end countdown or something like that. Hello. Yep, so we explored the brick house. I think it's not bad, using an old historical place and rebuilt it into something that's meaningful, the shops and all. So if you're here in this area, do come and check it out. I think it's really awesome. I didn't really cover all the places, but yeah, I'll just leave the rest of the exploration to you. Wow.